everyone, I'm doing a simple eyeshadow look today, and I am going to use a new pressed powder foundation from SEPHORA. This foundation pressed powder is by SEPHORA. I used the shade selector and it picked this color. Looking at it, I know something was wrong with it, but I wanted to put it on my skin and see if it would work. This is what it is looking like. Pressed powder foundation by SEPHORA. That's the color. This is oh God. We'll continue. We will continue. Simple eyeshadow look today. I know my foundation looks crazy for now. Let it be, let it be, let it be. I know it looks crazy. When you can't go to the store and get the right shade, this is what you get, right? Let's roll, let's roll. Let's keep rolling. Boo. Today I'm using Makeup Revolution, one of Makeup Revolution palette. It's called Quartz, one of their palettes. I'm gonna pick one of the colors here. I haven't decided which one. We will see. I'm gonna try with my finger first. They have no names. This look like a bronze rose gold color. That's that, right? Okay. In my little mirror, let's see if I can use this one. Good. This foundation is really this pressed foundation is like oh Lord. This one? Okay, let's put some color back in my skin since I'm looking all pale. I'm using JUVIA'S face blush. I'm in love with this blush. Now I need to do my eyeliner. And I'm going to use SEPHORA liquid eyeliner. It's the liquid pencil. Okay, in person, the foundation is looking a lot better. On camera, it's looking like ghostly to me. Tell me what? Tell me in the comments. We're doing our simple everyday eyeshadow look. So I did my eyeliner off screen. Simple, 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 simple everyday. Now mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational by Maybelline mascara. I am trying a lot of new things here today. Lots of new things. The eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution is new. The primer by Makeup Revolution is new. The eyeliner by Sephora is new. The pressed powder foundation by Sephora is new. What else can we use that's new today? Everything is new. Okay, so in the tear duct, I'm gonna use the same color. The powder turned out, the foundation pressed powder turned out pretty nice. First when I put it, it looked so ghostly. But now it looks much better. That's it for today. I think I need it. I think I need a very strong lipstick. What do you think? My lip liner. I'm using one of the JUVIA'S place. I'm using one of the JUVIA'S place nude lipstick. This one is nude. I am not a big nude person. Correction. Nude colors don't do good for me, but I want to try. Peach nude lipstick. Peach nude lipstick by JUVIA'S place. Wow, lots of new things that I use. And then also JUVIA'S place. Gloss. Well, this one is the glass, the pinkish one. I can tell you what the name is right now. This feels so good. This feels yummy, yum, yum. Okay, I think I'm done. Simple, everyday, sexy eyeshadow look. Now here. There's a messy hair. I want messy hair today. Simple, everyday eyeshadow look. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first. Take care of self. Love self plenty. And I will see you in another simple, everyday eyeshadow look. Please leave your comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye.